सुना ही होगा, आइडिया है तो गो पिच योर आइडिया टू एन इन्वेस्टर एंड कीप द बॉल रोलिंग. Big mistake, the reality. 9 out of 10 startup fail. Did you know 80% of startup won't survive beyond 5 years? 42% fail due to lack of innovation. 29% run out of cash. 23% collapse due to poor management. Most founders realize this too late. But guess what? If you stick around till the end of this video, I will share exactly how you can avoid this trap and even make 1 lakh fast without depending on investor. Don't miss this because your startup future is in your hand. Even with funding, many businesses crash and burn. Here's why. Let us understand from real life failure. Zilingo, they grew too fast, but co-founder conflict and money mismanagement killed the company. You all are aware about Satyam scam. $1 billion fraud scandal led to its collapse. And a very recent Baiju, they raised $22 billion in funding, yet still went into financial crisis in 2024. You all aware about recent Dunzo failure. Despite raising $200 million from Reliance Retail, they failed due to poor mismanagement and competition. What do you learn from this? If your business has weak execution and leadership skill, no amount of money will save it. Stay till the end and I will show you how to grow smartly without giving away your company too early. Now we learned about failure. Let us speak about power of bootstrapping. We all are aware about Zoho and its founder Mr. Sridhar Vembu. Now this company is from Tamil Nadu and it's a 100% a bootstrap company. This company was founded in the year 1996 and in financial year 2023 they clocked a revenue of 8,703 crore and they are year on year experiencing 30% growth. They have close to 100 million users worldwide. They do not have pressures from investor. They have complete freedom over their decision. And not only that, they have built 55 plus profitable products tailored to customers' need. Their products are focused on real innovation and efficiency. Now these are their secrets for success. Do you also want to business like them? Then stop chasing investor too early. Watch till the end and I will tell you exactly when to raise fund and when not to. Now first let us understand who should raise fund. Every business does not need a very heavy funding. There are businesses which can be bootstrapped. Why does raising money make sense? You should know when you should seek investment. Now you should seek investment only if you are launching a brand new product which has no market validation. Your product or your services need heavy manufacturing infrastructure which needs a lot of money. Your product needs clinical trials and legal approvals. You need expensive licenses before selling. Now examples are pharmaceutical products, deep tech or a hardware based startup. Now let us also understand who does not need investment. Any service based business like consulting, coaching, marketing does not need investment. Any SaaS product with a subscription model does not really needs an investment. Marketing and branding agency, they do not need an investment in the early stage of their business. Skill based business like training, video editing, freelancing does not need any investment. Example like Zoho or company like us, Bot Agency, we do not need any investment. Don't make the mistake of taking investor on board too early because once you do, you lose control over your business. Now let us understand the smartest way to start and earn 1 lakh fast. Do you want to grow without investor? Here's the shortcut. Become a consultant in your niche. Solve real problems for client and build credibility. Gain retainers, customer for your recurring income. If you have high income skill like video editing, branding, business strategy, etc., offer it as a service while building your brand. This is exactly what I did. My journey before launching the Pot Agency, I worked with top businesses in India, Africa, and UAE. I leveraged my experience, built relationship, and gradually scaled into a full-fledged agency. Now I help businesses grow and I own 100% of my company. Final takeaway: start small, solve real problem, build expertise and credibility, scale sustainably before raising funds. Here's what to do next. Comment below. Are you planning to bootstrap or raise funds? Let's discuss. Subscribe now because in my next video, I will reveal the exact blueprint I used to scale my business from 0 to 1 crore without external funding. You don't want to miss this, right? Smash the like button and share this with someone who is building a business right now. See you in the next video.